Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I am UV Prajesh again from Chandra Hyundai Coimbatore today, and I am here with the new Hyundai Venue Turbo IMT SX optional top spec variant. Now this is the sports pack which gets certain red accents and makes the Hyundai Venue SX optional look slightly sportier. This sport pack is also available on the SX variant, which is one variant lower to this. So let's talk about the sports pack. So starting with the details of the sports pack, this sports pack uniquely gets a glossy black finished grille which looks slightly better than the chrome finished grills on the standard variants. However, all the other things remain exactly the same. This being the SX optional variant, you get projector headlamps with LED DRLs. You also get the turn indicators mounted on top of the headlamps. And on this sports pack, you also get this red accents all over the car. I'll show you the other details once I get to the other parts of the car. So at the front, you can also see that the bumper is now single tone finished in black as against to the dual tone finish you can see on other variants. So this makes the Venue look much more butch than before, kind of makes it a bit badass, especially on this titanium grey dark color. And coming on towards the sides, you can also see red accents all over. The surprise is that on this sports pack you also get red finished brake disc calipers, which is really a sporty touch, and it kind of reminds you of the Kia Sonet GT X Plus variant, because that car also gets red brake calipers. And apart from that, you also get red accents on the wheel arches, be it the front and the back, and you also get this red stripe along the sides. Now of course, this being the sports pack, there is no point of a sports pack without the sport badging. So you get a sports badging on the C-pillar, and the roof rails also get a red accent, which looks kind of nice, especially on this dark titanium grey color. And yeah, of course, this now looks much better than the chrome pack which usually the Hyundai Venue used to get. Now at the back, this car remains exactly the same. There is no sport package highlight. This looks exactly the same as before. However, the good thing is that the bumper is again single tone in color except for the skid plate finish. And you also get the turbo badging, this being the turbo petrol IMT equipped SX optional variant. And that is all. You get a reverse parking camera and the number plate housing. You also get rear windshield wiper, washer and defogger. This being the top spec variant, you also get an electric sunroof which is covered by this protective white sheet on top, because this car is brand new and just has arrived. And you also get piano black finished ORVMs as against to the body colored finish you will see regularly on the Hyundai Venue. So that was all about the exteriors of the sports pack equipped Hyundai Venue SX optional IMT top spec variant. Now let's get inside the car to check out what are the differences. Yes folks, right now I'm inside the sports pack equipped Hyundai Venue 2020 BS6 turbocharged SX optional IMT variant. Now that's a long name. However, this is pretty simple. This is a turbocharged Hyundai Venue top spec variant with an IMT gearbox and the sports pack, of course. Now the benefits of the sports pack, let's start with that. You get the Creta steering wheel exactly the same, and on the sports pack you also get nice superb contrasting red stitching on the steering wheel itself along with leather wrapping. So it looks kind of sportier than before and a bit more aggressive. And the red accents theme is also carried forward to the AC vents. As you can see, all the AC vents get red colored knobs, which is kind of tasteful, I should say. And the AC controls themselves also are finished in red. Well, the rings are finished in red and looks a bit better than before. Apart from that, the interior remains all black, which is quite similar to say certain variants of the Hyundai Venue top spec variants. And the difference on the doors, of course, is that you get red stitching over here as well on the leather finish. And the seats also get the similar theme with a sort of dark greyish material, which is fabric. It is not leather. It is only part leather. Only the borders are finished in leather. And you also get this red piping along with the red contrast stitching along with white stitching over here. It is quite tasteful, I should say. And the center part of the seat also gets the red line over here along with this white line. So it is tasteful and it is quite sporty, to be precise, and that is what Hyundai intends to do. This looks and feels sportier than before, and of course the gear lever boot also gets red stitching. So it is a bit better than before, kind of a bit more youthful than before. So people who are looking for this sportier theme will definitely like this package. Apart from that, this being the top spec SX optional variant, you get all the features you will see on any other SX optional variant. You get leather wrap steering wheel, leather wrap gear knob, automatic climate control. You get a large touchscreen infotainment system with Bluelink connectivity, and the Bluelink connectivity functions are integrated on the IRVM, which is, as you can see, day-night switchable, and it is of course not an auto-dimming IRVM. However, you get automatic headlamps and cruise control functions on the steering wheel. However, this car does not get automatic wipers, which is completely fine. You also get a height adjustable driver seat on the top spec SX and SX optional variants. You also get auto folding ORVMs, and you also get this electric sunroof, which as you can see is covered by this white sheet. So let me just shut that off. And you also get a push button start with a smart key. So everything in this car is pretty standard when you compare with the SX optional variant. And of course, you also get a wireless charging pad over here on the top spec SX optional variant, quite similar to the regular variants. So in terms of features, it is exactly the same. It is only the sport package which makes the interior looks a bit more youthful, and on the outside as well, it looks a bit better. So now let's get to the back seat to check out how the back seats look and how does the dashboard look from the back seats. So yes, I am in the back seat of the new Hyundai Venue Sportsback equipped SX optional turbo IMT variant, and this is how the dashboard looks like. As I already said, it looks sportier and youthful when compared to the regular variants, and of course I think it's worth the overall sport package thing. Now coming to the back seats, of course here as well you get to see the red and black theme on the seats themselves. Well, I may have to remove this plastic wrapping which is wound tightly. And as you can see, this back seat also gets red piping along with the greyish fabric finishing. So it is also the exact same story over here. It is comfortable. Of course, Hyundai Venue's back seats have been comfortable. However, the space is at a premium. You don't get a whole lot of legroom if you are above 5'10" for reference. I am 5'11", just around 5'11". In height, and I have just the driver seat for my height, and this is all the legroom I get, barely around 2 fingers. So that is all the space you get in the back of the Hyundai Venue, and the width is also compromised, but still the overall positioning, the view out of the cabin, everything is fine, and even the recline angle is fine. You also get 2 adjustable headrests for the back seat, quite similar to the regular standard variants, and you also get a center armrest. So everything is nice. And in terms of safety, on the SX optional variant alone you get 6 airbags, as you can see, and electronic stability program with traction control and hill hold. So everything else is quite standard to the regular variant, and even the rear AC vents over here are finished in red for the knobs, so it's quite nice. And lower down you get a 12-volt charging socket. So that was all about the back seats of the Hyundai Venue Sport Package SX optional variant. Now let's check out the boot to check whether there are any red accents over there. Well, opening the boot of the Hyundai Venue Sport Package SX optional variant, there is no difference over here. The boot space remains exactly the same at 350 liters, and this being the top spec variant, you also get 60/40 split folding function for the rear seats, and under the boot floor you get to see a 15-inch steel spare wheel, which of course is quite similar to the Kia Sonet as well, because only the Hyundai Venue and the Kia Sonet provide a 15-inch steel spare wheel as compared to the 16-inch wheels available on every other compact SUV in India. I don't know why are they doing this, maybe for cost cutting, but still it is okay, fine. Let me just shut the boot. And I would like to show you one more thing on the sport package Hyundai Venue. As you can see, the pedals over here, this being the IMT variant, you only get an accelerator and a brake pedal, no clutch over here, despite being a manual transmission. So these pedals are finished in aluminium. As you can see, I'm not allowed to peel the sticker, but still you get to see this beautiful aluminium at the back. So this is an added benefit of the sports package and makes the cabin look and feel much more sportier. So now let's check out the engine bay. Opening the engine bay of the Hyundai Venue Sport SX optional, you get this very same 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged GDI petrol engine, which produces around 120 PS of power and 175 Newton meters of torque. with a whole lot of transmission options, 3 to be precise. You get a 6-speed manual transmission, you get a 6-speed IMT transmission as well, along with a traditional 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. So this here is the IMT variant, and it is basically for people who would want to get rid of the clutch but still don't want to compromise on the fun of a manual transmission. So this engine is very smooth and very powerful. However, it seems to have a bit of turbo lag while driving, but still it is a really good engine. So that was all about the engine bay. It remains exactly the same as before. Now let's talk about the pricing of this Hyundai Venue and the sports package. So yes, that was all about the new sports package on the Hyundai Venue SX optional variant. This sports package is also available on the lower SX variant, but only on the IMT transmission equipped versions. So when you compare with the regular non-sports package equipped IMT, SX and the SX optional variants, this sports package equipped variants cost around rupees 20,000 higher, but still I think it is completely worth it. So you can have a look at the pricing on the screen for you right now. So do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this sports package of the Hyundai Venue. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.